In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shipping insurance to Etsy shipping labels using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Adding shipping insurance protects your package in case it gets lost or damaged during delivery, especially if you're shipping valuable or fragile items. Now, if you want to add shipping insurance to an Etsy shipping label, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and sign in with your email and password. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager from the top menu to access your dashboard. After that, go to Orders and Shipping. Find the order you want to ship and open its details. Now, click on Get Shipping Label or Purchase Label. Enter your package details such as weight, size, and shipping carrier. Then, look for the insurance option. Scroll down and select Add Insurance. Enter the coverage amount based on the value of your item. Review the total cost, including the insurance fee, and then click Purchase to complete the process. Once done, your shipping label will include insurance coverage. That's it. Adding shipping insurance on Etsy helps protect your orders, reduce financial risk, and gives you peace of mind when shipping valuable items.